Hi, and welcome to another Taylor Box Box Talks. Today we are going to talk about two candle boxes that we did for Joya. Both boxes are a base and lid lift-off construction, the most essential style of a box. The lid is almost fully telescoping but leaves a small portion of the base exposed for ease of opening. These boxes were both made out of solid black chip, so the box is completely black when you open the base and lid and reveal the interior. Joya designed two candles for NBC commemorative edition candles, and as they were the same size, they were able to use the same board blanks for both projects. They also used the same uncoated black material as a cover wrap, but were able to differentiate the two different scents and themes using completely different foil stamping graphic designs. This is a great opportunity for people who need packaging for two similar products and want the packaging to differentiate between the products. If you can work with us to design a box that will suit both of their needs, we can help you by offering different decorative techniques on each package. As you can see, this simple, elegant setup box creates a beautiful customer experience and makes this candle a wonderful commemorative gift or keepsake from a trip to the NBC Studios. Both boxes have an identical base, a simple black chip wrapped in black uncoated paper. It's only the lids of the boxes that are different, with unique foil stamping to differentiate between the two products. If you're coming out with a new range of products or want to invest in some premium packaging for your existing products, consider working with us to design a structural package that can work for more than one SKU. We can differentiate between your products using decorative techniques while using the same underlying structural design to reduce costs. If you'd like to talk with one of our project managers or packaging specialists today, contact us below. Thanks for coming by.